Sam Bankman-Fried, hero or villain in the crypto space? Let's get into it. But first of all, who is he? He's the CEO of FTX Exchange. He's been making a lot of moves in this current downturn in the crypto market. We're going to focus on the M&As to start with, that's mergers and acquisitions of FTX. So they bought a Japanese exchange called Liquid, a Canadian trading platform called Bitvo, and a stock clearing company called Embed Clearing. We know that FTX themselves wanted to tokenize stocks and shares and then exchange them on the FTX website, which is now actually possible on their platform to buy tokenized stocks and shares. They also took a 7.6% stake in the company Robinhood for a $648 million price tag. FTX agreed to support BlockFi with a $250 million revolving line of credit. And I actually think since this time they have come through with an offer to try and buy out BlockFi. And it doesn't stop there. Sam Bankman-Fried told us there's going to be a ton of mergers and acquisitions in crypto in the following months. He added it wouldn't be shocking for FTX to acquire some of the business of exchanges that are shrinking. And on a recent interview with Julia Chatterley on CNN, he actually did hint to the fact that Coinbase may be one of those companies. But just for the record, he didn't say he wanted to start rumours about it. He just said there's not much of a better opportunity to be buying into Coinbase than right now, and it is something we're looking into. FTX seems to be making all the right moves, as yesterday they also partnered with Ledger. When security is such high priority in the market, when we're seeing liquidations left, right and centre, I think this is another amazing, not just marketing move, but move for the general population who are using cryptocurrency. This will basically let you swap on the Ledger Live app using the FTX exchange. Sam Bankman-Fried did state that he thought the worst of the crypto liquidity crunch was over, but he did say that he had about $2 billion on the side that he could use for the crypto industry if it did need it. And he did say in his chat with Julia Chatterley that he thought this liquidation event was actually healthy for the space, getting rid of a lot of the irresponsible players who were over leveraged. He basically said it's a healthy correction until well-capitalized companies start to fail, and if that happens, that's when he steps in. So is Bankman-Fried artificially keeping up the crypto market? Is it going to be able to reverse from here, and will he buy at depth should it go further? Something you may not know about Bankman-Fried is this. He was actually the second largest individual donor to Joe Biden's 2020 election, personally donating $5.2 million. So at the minute it looks like Sam Bankman-Fried is the real life Robin Hood of the crypto market, buying up the struggling platforms and in turn helping their customers, the little guys like us. But is everything going to become too centralized under the FTX umbrella, and how much can we really trust one person? Which brings me to say,